Hey everyone, welcome back. Last week we spoke about 7 tips to kickstart your fitness, and this was mostly based around self-motivation. If you missed it, there is a link in the description and you can find it in the weekly fitness tips playlist created just for you. Go check it out before you watch this video. Without further ado, let's start this week's fitness tips. Finding the right fitness program and how to start. Are you thinking about starting a fitness program? Good for you. You're only 5 steps away from a healthier lifestyle. Starting a fitness program may be one of the best things you can do for your health. Physical activity can reduce your risk of chronic disease, improve your balance and coordination, help you lose weight, and even improve your sleep habits and self-esteem. And there's more good news. You can start a fitness program in only 5 steps. Step 1. Assess your fitness level. You probably have some idea of how fit you are. But assessing and recording baseline fitness scores can give you benchmarks against which to measure your progress. To assess your aerobic and muscular fitness, flexibility, and body composition, consider recording your pulse rate before and immediately after walking 1 mile. How long it takes to walk 1 mile, or how long it takes to run 1.5 miles. How many standard or modified push-ups you can do at a time. How far you can reach forward while seated on the floor with your legs in front of you. Your waist circumference, just above your hip bones. Your body mass index. Step 2. Design your fitness program. It's easy to say that you'll exercise every day, but you'll need a plan. As you design your fitness program, keep these points in mind. Consider your fitness goals. Are you starting a fitness program to help lose weight? Or do you have another motivation, such as preparing for a marathon? Having clear goals can help you gauge your progress and stay motivated. Create a balanced routine. Get at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity a week, or a combination of moderate and vigorous activity. The guidelines suggest that you spread out this exercise during the course of a week. To provide even greater health benefit and to assist with weight loss or maintaining weight loss, at least 300 minutes a week is recommended. But even small amounts of physical activity are helpful. Being active for short periods of time throughout the day can add up to provide health benefit. Do strength training exercises for all major muscle groups at least 2 times a week. Aim to do a single set of each exercise, using a weight or resistance level heavy enough to tire your muscles after about 12 to 15 repetitions. Start low and progress slowly. If you are just beginning to exercise, start cautiously and progress slowly. If you have an injury or a medical condition, consult your doctor or an exercise therapist for help designing a fitness program that gradually improves your range of motion, strength and endurance. Build activity into your daily routine. Finding time to exercise can be a challenge. To make it easier, schedule time to exercise as you would any other appointment. Plan to watch your favorite show while walking on the treadmill, read while riding a stationary bike, or take a break to go on a walk at work. Plan to include different activities. Different activities can keep exercise boredom at bay. Cross-training using low-impact forms of activity, such as biking or water exercise, also reduces your chances of injuring or overusing one specific muscle or joint. Plan to alternate among activities that emphasize different parts of your body, such as walking, swimming and strength training. Try high-interval intensity training. In high-interval intensity training, you perform short bursts of high-intensity activity separated by recovery periods of low-intensity activity. Allow time for recovery. Many people start exercising with frenzied zeal, working out too long or too intensely, and give up when their muscles and joints become sore or injured. Plan time between sessions for your body to rest and recover. Put it on paper. A written plan may encourage you to stay on track. Step 3. Assemble your equipment. You'll probably start with athletic shoes. Be sure to pick shoes designed for the activity you have in mind. For example, running shoes are lighter in weight than cross-training shoes, which are more supportive. If you're planning to invest in exercise equipment, choose something that's practical, enjoyable and easy to use. You may want to try out certain types of equipment at a fitness center before investing in your own equipment. You might consider using fitness apps for smart devices or other activity tracking devices, such as ones that can track your distance, track calories burned or monitor your heart rate. Check the description for a link to a great fitness app for beginners, and I'll add a video of this app at the end of the video. Step 4. Get started. Now you're ready for action. As you begin your fitness program, keep these tips in mind. Start slowly and build up gradually. Give yourself plenty of time to warm up and cool down with easy walking or gentle stretching. Then speed up to a pace you can continue for 5 to 10 minutes without getting overly tired. As your stamina improves, gradually increase the amount of time you exercise. Work your way up to 30 to 60 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Break things up if you have to. You don't have to do all your exercise at one time, so you can weave in activity throughout your day. Shorter but more frequent sessions have aerobic benefits, too. Exercising in short sessions a few times a day may fit into your schedule better than a single 30-minute session. Any amount of activity is better than none at all. Be creative. Maybe your workout routine includes various activities, such as walking, bicycling or rowing. But don't stop there. Take a weekend hike with your family or spend an evening ballroom dancing. Find activities you enjoy to add to your fitness routine. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, shortness of breath, dizziness or nausea, take a break. You may be pushing yourself too hard. Be flexible. If you're not feeling good, give yourself permission to take a day or two off. Step 5. Monitor your progress. Retake your personal fitness assessment 6 weeks after you start your program and then again every few months. You may notice that you need to increase the amount of time you exercise in order to continue improving. Or you may be pleasantly surprised to find that you're exercising just the right amount to meet your fitness goals. If you lose motivation, set new goals or try a new activity. Exercising with a friend or taking a class at a fitness center may help, too. Starting an exercise program is an important decision. But it doesn't have to be an overwhelming one. By planning carefully and pacing yourself, you can establish a healthy habit that lasts a lifetime. A great app you can use to get started with great fitness routines is an app on the Android Play Store called Elliott Fitness. You can find the link in the description. The app features 3 different difficulty levels of easy, medium and hard and has a workout every day of the month for each. This means you can get 90 days of no equipment exercise routines for free. You have got nothing to lose and everything to gain. I will see you next week with more great fitness tips. If there is anything you would like specifically, then just drop it in the comments and I will do my best. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.